You put your shoe out for St. Nick?
Yes.
Is he supposed to bring you something?
Yes.
What's he supposed to bring you?
Can tissue Nick.
St. Nick? Here, hold on, let me see Passy. St. Nick, what's he supposed to bring you?
And Nick.
St. Nick.
Nick.
Nick, where did you put your shoe? Can you show me? What'd you get?
Sticker.
Stickers. What else did you get?
Then and
Who got you that? Nia, who got you that?
they go.
Yeah, but who got you that?
They go.
Okay, what else did you get? What's that?
Open it.
Open it? Okay. Maybe you could put your stickers in there. What else?
You open it. You open it.
Okay. Show me what else you got, though. Show me what else.
Close it.
What's this?
Open it.
But what is it? What's that?
Snowman.
A snowman. Cool.
On the ground.
Yeah. Look what else. Is this a new cup for you? Who is that? Who's on the cup?
And Johnny.
What's this?
Cup.
But who is it?
And
What is that?
Santa.
Santa. What's that?
Snowman.
Snowman. Who's this?
Many.
I think you got a note. Should I read it?
Carrot. Carrot.
No, that's a note.
A carrot.
It says, Nia. St. Nick stopped by last night and wanted me to pass along a message. He said that Santa Claus has been watching you closely, and he sees what a great big sister you are. Are you a good big sister? Denoli? Are you a good big sissy? What do you tell St. Nick?
She's Snowman and Snowman.
Yeah, what do you tell St. Nick for bringing you all this stuff?
Can see Snowman and
Say thank you, St. Nick.
Tiki Nick.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Happy holidays.
Holidays.
Mwah.
Mwah.